Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to channel for tech tips and tutorials. Ready to unlock even more from your Android experience? Let's dive into how to block spam calls on Android, because who says your peace and quiet has to be interrupted by robocalls? Here is a quick overview. 1. Filtering. 2. Blocking. Let's get started. Step number 1. Filtering. Go to your phones. Click the three-dotted button. Go to Settings. Click Caller ID and Spam. And make sure to toggle off this Filter Spam Calls button. Step number 2. Blocking. Go to Phones, and here in Recents, you can see some numbers that are not named yet, and possibly they are scammers. So just long press the number, then click Block. Blocking spam calls on Android is easier than dodging your apps. Just open the phone app, tap the three dots, hit Settings, and turn on Caller ID and Spam. Google starts screening shady calls like your personal bouncer. On Samsung or Xiaomi, same deal, just hidden in slightly different corners. Either way, goodbye robocalls. Hello, peace. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.